Hello everyone and welcome to Tailored Acres. This is my crocus lawn and it's the only thing that's blooming right now in my spring garden here in Wisconsin, Zone 4B. And today I am going to tackle an inexpensive project to add a little bit more spring whimsy to my spring garden. Here are our supplies for today. These are plastic eggs that I got from the dollar store. They were $1 a pack, and just make sure that they have holes in them or this process won't work. The next thing is fishing line, and this works good because, well, I already had it, and it's a little bit more rigid to poke through these holes to thread them. Scissors, obviously, and then I'm going to be using these little hangers that are from Christmas ornaments that will make it easy to hang them in the tree. You could also just use this to hang them as well, but for my tree, the hangers will definitely work better. I'll show you next how I'm going to string one of these up. So we're going to pop our egg open, and I've been threading these through the top because it's a little bit of a shorter distance to get it through there. So I'm going to take this piece about yay long. Right, so this is hard to see obviously because it's fishing line. I'm going to zoom in a little bit here. Okay, so we're going to take the egg. You can see the 2 holes there. So I'm going to thread one through each side and pull it a little bit. Oops, grab the end of the other one here. All right, thread it through the other side. Grab that. Pull it through so see that it's through both sides. I'm going to match up the ends here. Like that. Okay, so this is the ends in this hand. And I'm going to loop these around. So take it, make a loop. All right, and then the free ends here in my left hand, I'm going to stick those through the loop there and pull them tight so that I'm making a knot, just like that. So now this is a tight loop. All right, and then we're going to just take one of the Christmas ornament hangers and loop that around here, just like that. All right, then we'll put our egg back together and we're ready to hang it on the tree. I've got 2 of my 4 packs that I purchased hung up already, and I'm really liking the whimsy that this is bringing. So I'm going to get the other 2 packs hung up, but first I'm going to show you how I attached it with my hangers. So this is how I have it hung up, and I just wrapped this around the branch one time, and I looked for a branch that was split so it wouldn't slide down. And then you can see I just have this end wrapped around like I showed you already, and that's what we look like. All right, and I've got them all hung. This tree is really tall. I have trimmed it up over the years. It's kind of almost an umbrella shape, but it's kind of hard for me to reach some of the branches. But I think this is really cute, and I really like how it's right in the front of our house and it's going to grab your attention. So, all right, that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed this project. Let me know if you hang some eggs in your tree. Take care.